Hi everybody, I hope you're all alright. I've just been waiting for sun, and I've been waiting quite a while. I don't know how good I'll be in this picture because I've got sun perfect for car. This is one of the last column change Mach 4 Zephyrs. She's a V6, not a 4, she's a 6. And I thought I'd let you have a look around because it's a bit of an exceptional car. It's a one owner car, but I think the second, it did have an owner before after that, I reckon, but he obviously never applied for a logbook because when I've got everything through, it's come through as a one owner. I mean, it did happen in the past, but I've got nice sunlight on it now, so I thought I'd let you have a look round. Because like, it is one of the last. Column change, she's got a green interior, she's a green car. I mean, there'll not be many at all like this, so I've always wanted to do this car. It's on this to be done, it'll be done on YouTube. I was going to let it go, and then the guy decided he wanted something with a bit less work, but there's not a lot of work in car, so he can be stopping with me. I mean, even seals are perfect on it, but I'm going to let you have a look round, but I just wanted just to catch a bit of sun on it, just to see what it is. I mean, she's got scabs all over it, and it's, well, I'll show you, it's just a lovely thing. So here we go. Back camera. Picking sun up. I mean, scabs, like I say, you can see them all over. Got a good plate on it. I know it took me, I bet it took me 3 years to get V5 for this. Everything's there, everything's right. If I clean chrome, it would come up. It's just mucky. It's just like oxidised over. Got a few dings in roof. Somebody's been busy with aerosol, but overall, well, let's go back. Let's show you properly. I mean, she's got this gorgeous interior. And there's bits of scabs down here, but they're absolutely nothing. Once it's this car's dip, I mean, it'll be taken to bits properly and done. It's got a lovely green interior. I mean, it's difficult to show interior, and it's how it picks light up, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I've polished a few bits up, I don't know, you can't really, but it's a lovely interior. I mean, I suppose I ought to get a lamp, but I'm just trying to show you it's 68,000 miles. I mean, you can see that there. Probably if I get up close, you can see something green. I mean, I've cleaned little bits up on the seat, you can see that circle there, and I've cleaned bits up on the dash. Let's get in. I got it from down. See, green interior. I mean, that's that little square. I mean, I even tried it, but you're just not going to find one with a green interior. Even down at Hanley, I mean, it's lovely. It's just original. I mean, obviously, seat needs doing, but that'll be a bit of an issue. Carpets are very good as well. So, show you around. Body's like, it's got scabs everywhere, but once it's taped and cleaned off, she'll be for sound. Well, the inner wings, let's see if I can get there. There we go. Inner wings, absolutely perfect. Wings are bang on her edges. I've got engine. She's missing a couple of pistons. So little work to be done under here. Well, once it's stripped off, dipped, it's be perfect. So I will dip this car because it's a rare late car. I mean, obviously I don't worry about bezels, I don't worry about trims, I've got them all, so. Well, they would come up, but obviously they need chroming. Right, manifolds are good, that makes a change. Well, everything's good. There's no plain steering. She's one of later cars with later servo, as on XJ6. But I thought, while I've got it uncovered, because I'm going to put a new cover over it, and obviously it is going to go through a workshop, I thought I'd give it a chance to have a good look at one. I mean, you're probably all looking and thinking, what's he on about? But I see things a bit different than probably you do. I mean, it's in factory paint. Just be somebody's been busy with aerosol can. I don't know what first stone I want, because obviously it's difficult to find stuff out. But the green, oh, it's lovely. No doubt you're going to see it all when you've got better light. Green carpets. And there's some obviously bits that were just left in it. I mean, it's got original seat belts. A bit worn, so that's probably why it seats warm. It wouldn't surprise me if it weren't a taxi. We've got a bit of sunlight, so you can... But you just don't find original cars like this. I don't know how long. I think I've found some information. I think I've had it about 2018, something like that. Even seals, I mean, they're absolutely as factory, perfect. A few bits like it does. I mean, boat, usual storeroom that I have. If you can see these, but it's all paint on. Everything's bang on under here. This is the remainder engines. I mean, there's 2 pistons missing. Why, I don't know. You can see here, it's all painted, it's all bang on. Even got its factory seal. It's alright. Under the boat's alright. Difficult with sun. But I wanted to catch sun so you could just get a bit of a glimpse of it. But one previous owner to me, I think he had 2 because I think other guy just hadn't filled logbooking. Took me way over 2 years to get it V5 sorted out with it, because they were arguing how to prove dates with starters, with glass, everything. But there's a look at the car. It's a 71 V6 column change Zephyr. Not a deluxe, a note, so one of the last ones. According to its numbers it is anyway. Well, give me a like if you like video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more stuff. Well, you're going to see this car built, along with a lot more. And pass me a comment if you want me to answer something. There you have it. 71 Zephyr V6. Minus its engine, which I've got block. There's no missing blocking to even see. Just 2 pistons missing. What issue? What? God only knows. It's on a dynamo. It's probably at last at bench seat cars at 70s. I've got a bit of sunlight, so you're going to get a chance to see it. Catch you all later. Take care, everybody, and bye for now.